And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, we're real comfy with it. Okay, real comfy, real cozy. I don't know where I'm gonna start the video, honestly. It might start from a previous video, but if I start from a previous video or not, just to recap, we're gonna be streaming. We're gonna start streaming. I bought most of my PC parts, and basically by the title you already know we're gonna be building probably a portion of the PC right now. I'm just gonna put together majority of the stuff that's supposed to be on the motherboard, the RAM, the SSD, and the CPU. That's it. We're just gonna keep it short, keep it simple, keep it quick, keep it nice. Okay, for today we have, I'm gonna show you all the parts that I got for my PC so far, and then when other parts start coming, like the monitor, keyboard, and mouse, I'm gonna show you guys that too. For this build, I'm definitely going to go with all black. I was going back and forth, should I do white, should I do pink, should I do black? I like black. I'm gonna do black. Black is simple. I got this Moano mic. It's pretty good. I used it. It lights up, it's colorful, it's gorgeous. So that's what we have with this. It's the Air 100 ARGB Montech case. RYZEN 7000 series. It's the RYZEN 5 7600. I didn't know a fan came in this, like a stock fan. So I got an additional fan. I just actually got this the other day. It's the ARTIC freezer 36 A-RGB in black, of course, because I said I'm gonna do mostly black. If anything, the build's gonna be black and white, but mostly black. I have RAM. This is this T-Force. This has 32 gigabytes, so it's 216. A Samsung SSD card. That's what it is. Side Pro B650. MA Wi-Fi motherboard that we're gonna be using. It's RX 7600 XT. Okay, raw gigabyte. It's 16 gigabytes, so that should be cool. We're not gonna do this today. I've watched so many videos, so hopefully this goes right and nothing crunches, cracks, none of that. By the grace of God, blood of Jesus, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, I think the first thing we should do is maybe put the CPU in. How do I take this off? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. There we go. So as I said, this is what we will be using to put that in there. Honey, no, this? Hold on. Bro. Okay, let me try this side first. Oh my god. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to hear like a click. And I don't know, like, push Okay. Oh god. Okay. That wasn't too hard. That was a lot. That was a lot. Guys, that was a lot. Okay. Okay, I know I have to take this off. So okay, yep, they're instructions. So they're telling me that this is going to go something like this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Is that how it's supposed to? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to take this off. Oh my gosh. I have this. What does it look like? Okay. It looks like this. Because I'm looking at this like.
Why you acting hard? I'm like, baby, please.
I'm not with that shit. Also, in this box, it came with the Wi-Fi. Oh, sorry, it came with the Wi-Fi. It was like in this little. Sorry. It was like in this little slot, so it came with the Wi-Fi. This like the cover. So it's gonna go like here. Sorry. It's gonna go here once we put everything on for the graphics card, and this cord, which I think is for the graphics card, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but we'll Google search this. But for now, that is the end of the video. This is the progress that we made so far today. I'm gonna put this back in the plastic because I don't want it to get dusty or anything. So I'm just gonna put it back in the plastic that it came in. Part 2 will be maybe doing everything else, finishing it up. We're gonna do it in little parts because that's what we're doing, just a step by time. Next time we might put the cooler on and then mount it in there. This is my first time ever building something like this with expensive, fragile computer pieces. I'm not a computer girl. I have nothing broke. We're good. Let me know if you have suggestions, any words of encouragement, anything you want to say, any ideas that you might want to see on my Twitch. And yeah, you let me know. All my links are in the bio. Follow up. I'm gonna put my Twitch link down there, and we're gonna, you know, get the ball rolling. All right, bye.